guys, Isabella here. Welcome to Simple and Delish. Tonight I'm going to show you how to prepare my Izzy Crunch Flatbread. First I'm going to add some garlic oil to a cheesy flatbread. Step 2, add the cucumbers. Step 3, add the mozzarella. Step 4, add the grape tomatoes. Step 5, crush the potato chips. And sprinkle them on the flatbread. Step 6, add some Parmesan cheese. Step 7, add some seasoning. Basil, salt, and pepper. Step 8, bake it at 425 for 15 minutes. Finally, before you eat, add some more crunch and a little garlic drizzle. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Remember, hit that subscribe button and like button. Remember, try it at home because it's simple and delicious.